Hey guys! So today I'm coming to you with these new Igelbeauty dip powder acrylics that I received. I purchased with my own money, but I just wanted to do a review for you because I've seen a lot of Igels. I heard it's a pretty decent product for the price point, and I just wanted to share with you today these beautiful powders that I received. So I ended up purchasing 8 of them just to give it a test out. They were having a 50% off sale on the website. Normally they have a 60% sale on the website. Currently they've changed that to a 60% off on the website, which I went back and I purchased about 20 more. But this is just the first video just to show you and get a feel of what the product is, how it works. So here we go. So these acrylics are great if you're a beginner. You can use them as a dip powder or you can use them as acrylic with a monomer. The price point is great for beginners because if you want to save a couple of bucks, but the consistency is pretty good. They're a little buttery. The colors are very vibrant. If you don't use them as acrylics, you can use them as a dip powder, and the colors are beautiful. I would definitely jump on these because of the price point. I purchased 8 right now, but then I have another batch coming, and I will also do a review / swatch on those. A lot of people were saying that some of the marble, so I was pretty specific about which colors I picked. But I definitely suggest that you guys go and jump on these.